I really need to go to the restroom again. We just arrived.
Oh, dear.
It's very urgent.
Can you wait a little?
No, I cannot wait.
Just a few minutes.
I said no minutes. There are trees everywhere, Grandpa.
But we can't stay all day. Just a few minutes.
I said no minutes. There are trees everywhere, Grandpa.
But we can't stay all day.
I am joking. I am joking.
This is not funny. Oh. I also need to go.
What? You too?
Yes, very bad timing.
Then let's go now.
Slow down, I am not young. This is an emergency.
This is my fast speed.
You are like a turtle.
This is my fast speed.
You are like a turtle.
This turtle is doing his best.
Do you see a restroom?
I see a gate.
That does not help. I see people sitting.
I cannot ask them.
Okay, keep going.
Grandpa, hurry! My legs are trying.
Wait, what is that?
Why did you stop?
A coffee shop has a restroom.
I see a coffee shop.
Let's go to the coffee shop.
Yay, the coffee shop.
In English, we say coffee shop.
Coffee shop. I learned it.
Please subscribe, like, comment, and share.
And thank you for watching.